Hello everyone! Today I'm trying to find the perfect Pokemon for this empty slot. Let's start. First attempt, Pidgeot. I like the shape, but let me try a few other options first. Next, Pokemon Beedrill. The wings look interesting, but the leg with the sharp cone doesn't really fit here. Not this one. Let me try Sandslash. This angle doesn't work at all. Let me try Sandslash from above. This one actually fits pretty well. But let's see if I can find something even better. Let me try Sandslash from the side. I don't think the spikes match this almost flat edge. And the tail doesn't fit either. Alright, let me try something totally different. Electabuzz. Let me go back to my first idea. Pidgeot. This time I moved the far wing a little to make it fit better. And I think this is the one. But before I start sculpting, I want to hear your option. Which of these sketches do you think looked the best for this part? Pidgeot, Beedrill, Sandslash, Electabuzz? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the process, subscribe to the channel. Next up, we are sculpting Pidgeot.